plans because we're gonna go cross over to Albania. So it was a kind of cold last night, but it's okay. It's going to be warm when the sun comes up. Wow, sunset. Ooh, can't get the door open. So we're just gonna cross over to Albania, right over there. So it's about 2 hours. Do you think we have some wind out there?
No.
No?
I mean, I guess it's a little bit of cross breeze, but I can't feel it.
No, me neither, actually.
It's making the Windex turn. I mean, I do see ripples in the water too.
I know. I was just looking at, but the flag is not.
Maybe in an hour, maybe we'll get halfway or a little bit further out. Maybe we'll get a little bit like a boat or sail. We'll see.
Oh, okay.
Never know.
I'm starting to make some coffee, or getting ready to. It's almost done. Just waiting for the water. And then we're gonna have a nice day in Albania.
Mm-hmm.
That's the plan.
Albania.
And here's the city that we were in, Cassiopeia. We saw the constellation. Sails go up. So it looks like there's a little wind coming. We are approaching Albania right over here. We actually changed the time zone, so we're 1 hour early, but that's okay. It's gonna be looks like it's gonna be a nice day. It's getting warm now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the jacket off.
Yeah. I think we're gonna try to make eggs Benedict when we're at harbor, shouldn't we? Yeah. Because we had some eggs Benedict yesterday in Greece and they were not so good, so we have to see if we can make them better.
Their salmon was horrible.
Yeah. I mean, the eggs were good and the sauce was good, but the salmon.
Really good. Yeah, but it was just sour tasting.
Sour tasting salmon? No wonder they don't eat that. Okay, so we're gonna park in between these boats here. In between that little space there. But we have to drop the anchor and back in. So we checked in at the marina and I'm gonna try to cook up some eggs Benedict. It's gonna be an experiment. I mean, it doesn't look too good. Hopefully it tastes good.
Tastes good though.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Ready for the, oh, it's really hard actually.
It's hard to get it like, I think that's... Is that okay?
Yep, looks good. New country, new sticker. Albania.
It's a really cool one.
Albania. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Good job. You got it on there so straight.
No, but the flag, and it's so nice.
Yeah. Beer time.
Beer time. It's Albanian beer. It's a banana flower.
Oh, a banana flower.
Small little bananas on it. See it?
Oh, yeah, look at those little guys.
Yeah. Wow, I've never seen that. Sam's hanging up the Albanian flag. It's a really good one.
Hi.
Good job. So we just got to the restaurant. We're gonna eat. We ordered a lot of seafood. Yes.
I'm also at the restaurant.
Sam is also
ordered
here.
Seafood and we got our drinks.
We got white wine. Happy
Sweet
wine.
wine.
Sweet berry wine, yes. So we got these crab things. What do you think about the crab things?
They're good.
Mm?
Crab croquettes, like they have in the Netherlands and Belgium.
They have them there?
Not like this, but they have croquettes like everything.
Mm.
I love them.
Mm. It's really good. I like them. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Breakfast time. Yum. Mm. Oh, wow. Oh, that's magical. So got ourselves some great breakfasts at this hotel. A breakfast with a view. Okay, so we're going to go back on Pickle. I think we made it before checkout, hopefully. No one has said anything, so. And we're going. It's about like 8 o'clock because we got in super early yesterday, so which meant we had to leave early today. It's kind of almost a bummer because the breakfast up there was so good, but I guess it's also nice to just get going. Although it doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of wind, but we'll see. I really like the city though. It's super cute. Sam's picking up the anchor. Lee threw it out there far away yesterday. Is it stuck?
Yep.
Comes up? Okay. So we remembered that we forgot all our stuff in the fridge in the hotel. So Sam's like being the hero and going back to see if we can still get it. It's like all our salmon and everything we bought yesterday. Cheese that had to be like refrigerated. Oh, such a bummer. Hopefully you can still get it. The hotel is like right over there. So hopefully, yeah, that's where we had our breakfast. Up there. He made it to shore. Oh, he's back. I hope he got it. Oh, that's awesome. There he goes. Ah. You did it!
I got it.
You're my hero!
You got the food.
You did, you fixed it, oh my god. So we're getting ready to leave. They got the flag with us. And just putting up the sails because I guess it's so little wind. We might as well put up the sail before we take up the anchor. So since the wind is going to be so light the whole week, there's going to be a change of plans. So I think I'm going to fly home from Corfu, which means we won't really be sailing up along the whole coast of Albania, but we'll just like stay in the area here and get as far as we feel is, yeah, smart, so that we have the time to come back here on Sunday and then take the ferry over to Corfu. So that's how it is with the wind. You can't control the wind. So we're out of here, motoring out with the sails up. It's a great city.
Back underway.
Back on our
Got the
way.
sails up, and I also got the motor up.
We got everything up.
I got the salmon from the hotel this morning. Then we left there. Had to go for a little swim.
You saved the
They
day.
hadn't cleaned out the room yet, so we were okay.
Saved the day.
And I got emailed the Lumar
Yes!
contact, and they're gonna give me new winches
New inches.
in 6 weeks.
6 weeks, but that's
A lot sooner than I was gonna get them before.
exactly before today. We didn't know. Now it's gonna be no more than 6 or
About 6.
Six-
Maybe less than 6 weeks.
Maybe-
They
maybe.
They said that they could take off to 6 weeks.
up. Yeah, we're gonna.
Gotta find the
Prepare
place
for
to
6
get them.
weeks.
Gotta find a place to get them.
Yep.
We're making moves.
Yep. We saw this one in Corfu as well, right?
Yeah, it was
Or no, it.
somewhere on that island.
I can't remember where it was. We saw it. Yay!
Water down there.
Ah,
Plenty of water.
plenty of water. Great.
You have no idea.
Maybe I have
Water
to.
is down there.
What about over there?
We don't need to look at that water.
Okay, it's just the one over
We're
there.
talking about the water down there and over there and over there even.
Yeah. It doesn't really matter what water is behind us, right? It's only one.
What's behind us is where we've been.
Exactly.
But what's in front of us
We're
is where we're going potentially.
exactly potentially.
Stay here.
Oy. So we found this great place to anchor. This little bay. Beautiful. So I'm just let the anchor down and we're gonna take the main down, I guess. So we're getting ready to go explore the shores, unknown,
All by ourselves.
all by ourselves, with no adults. Sam's gonna do his business call.
I'm a businessman now.
You're a businessman. And we're out exploring, and there's Pickle over there. Right there.
Hi, my name is Sam. We had a call scheduled. Can you hear me?
I'll be in Wisconsin, where my childhood was found. I've been talking about getting out of town.
do you think?
Pretty good. I think it's this is Albania at its finest.
I think yeah. I think you're right.
It's a pretty cool place to hike, and there's lots of rocks and trees and plants and things, and a little bit of thorny stuff, but not too bad.
Yeah. A little thorny, but it's kind of cool. I like the rocks. I like the
paraglide off these mountains.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I'll find one on the way north. Or my way south, I don't know.
Are you leaving me?
Oh, you want to come?
Yes. So we decided to go for the next bay before it's too late, because maybe there's a little bit of wind left out there. Hopefully. Sam is pulling up the anchor. We didn't open the sails.
Okay, fine.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh. But this bay was great. Sam found the turtle.
I found him.
That's
Couldn't hide from me.
could not. That was a good find.
My man bone's out though.
Oh, well, you look so good with it. There it is.
It's not.
Oh.
You?
Show them. So good.
I don't know which camera to look into. There's so many.
So many. Right, okay, now I'm zooming out of the tree. I have to just look at it. It's so good.
Just look at it.
Look at that. Wow. 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 Going to the sunset. So we made it to the next. I don't know if you can see anything, it's getting so dark. Oh! Oh, what was that?
Cool patterns in the rock.
Yes! Oh, this anchorage is so cool. I can't wait to see this like in the morning. Ah, that's awesome! Look at that pattern! Oh, that's so cool! What do you think that is?
Starlink. That's wild.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god, how do you know that's Starlink and not like
they come out in a row. I mean, that's the only one.
late night dinner.
Yeah.
It's not so late though. It's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock?
A little bit late, yeah.
A little bit late, but not as late as it looks.
And we got a real fancy poke bowl for dinner now. And Ann-Elin's coming outside.
I'm coming outside.
And we got to see the Starlink. And it's been 3 days in a row of awesomeness.
3 awesome, like the best days ever.
Mm-hmm.